Okay, so today I want to take a look at Socrative. Socrative is a tool that teachers or anyone can use to collect formative assessment information from the group of learners that you're learning with. So Socrative.com, and it's going to give me two choices, teacher login or student login. So I'm going to go with teacher login. And you just set it up. It's free with an email and a password of your choosing. So, net, and let's see if I can remember the password. Yes, first try. So once you're in here, you are given a classroom number that is tied to your email address. So your classroom number will never change unless you change your email address. So you could write this classroom number in the top right-hand corner of your whiteboard in your classroom, and students will always be able to see it. Now, so for students to respond to questions, let's go to Socrative again and log in as a student. This is the screen that students see. They've got an app in both the iTunes Store and the Android Store for Socrative. Any web browser that can access the internet can get here. So it's a free app through Android and iOS, and anybody that can use an iPod Touch or a laptop or anything in between to get on the internet can get here. So if we take this room number 434788, 434788, we are in the room. Okay, so now it's just waiting for the teacher to start an activity. I can see there's one here. Let me 434788 log in on a separate device, and you can now see that there are two students in the room. I could give a multiple choice. So students are waiting. They see maybe I've got a graph on the board, and I ask them at point A, B, or C, at which point is the object not moving? And so let's say this is a science lesson, and they would look for the one with the slope is 0 and say, oh, okay, at point B, the object is not moving. And then my other student said, okay, I think it's at point C. So here I could see, okay, I got one kid or one student got it right, and one that got it wrong. One thought it was C. If I've got 32 to 36 students getting responses, I can have a sense of where the class is at. So question asked, answered, and I've got immediate feedback that can help me proceed with my lesson. I'm going to go ahead and end this activity. That was a true-false. Multiple choice. I could have short answer. Short answer with single student response or unlimited student responses. I found that unlimited student responses is better because if you have a shortage of devices, if I set it to unlimited student responses, students can share. I can leave it anonymous, or I can require a student name. It's really your preference. But let's start this activity. Okay, so I ask a question about why is water cold at the poles and warm at the equator? So the students would say, the water at the poles is colder because and they fill in their response, they hit submit, and so now you can see where it says add another answer. So I would pass this to my fellow student that doesn't have a device, and now they can add their answer. And when using this, you could even say, okay, Kenneth Gum and you could come up with some way of identifying which students are responding with which answers. So confirm water tends to be warmer at the equator, and submit that response. And so now if we go back to Socrative Teacher, you can see where we've got responses like this. If I had, let me add one more response. And I did that with my tablet device. So I've got 3 responses, and I've got this I don't know. So either the student didn't take the assignment seriously, or the answer or response was inappropriate. I could then block it out, and if I wanted to, I could push it back to the students for a vote. So choose one of the below answers. Water at the pool is colder, water tends to be warmer, and students could pick the one that they like. And so if we go back, you can see that this response got 2 votes, this response got no votes. When I end the activity, it gives me the option to email the report back to the email that I used to log into this, so my Twitter and the usd.net. I can also download the report, no report, or cancel. For now, I'm just going to hit no report. So that's the single question. There's also quizzes that you can share with other teachers that can be made and shared, pre-made quizzes. Exit tickets, so end of the day as opposed to the lesson, I can have an exit ticket, first and last name, so Durham Kenneth, submit. I understood today's material pretty well, and we're just waiting for it to move to question 2. Okay, what did you learn today? I learned, and then please solve the problem on the board. So the problem could be a math problem, or it could be a question, and so they would put the response to their question, and then they could let another student take an exit ticket, again sharing of devices, or finish the exit ticket. So I'll go ahead and hit finish. And if I go back, I've gotten all my responses. I select end activity, and I'm going to download the report just so you can see what that looks like. And you can see where the student put their name in the way it was asked for. It gives you the level of understanding, what they learned today, answer to a problem, and then if you did go in and set up correct answers, it could give you number of answers correct and a score if you wish to do so. So there's a lot more space race and managing quizzes and whatnot aspects to Socrative, but this I just wanted this to be an informal introduction to the tool. So hopefully you'll give it a try, and you'll report back what you've learned and you'll share with others. Thanks, and have a great day.